just how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. So easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world.
Hello, Guardians
Of the galaxy.
of the galaxy things and stuff. I'm Mary Poppins today,
And I am Groot.
except vastly
But
different.
not, yeah.
Totally different.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all!
This week's episode is one of my favorite custom cars that I got to do this entire year. It's very near and dear to my heart. It's called the Trash Panda.
The Trash Panda.
The Trash Panda.
And it was a good friend of ours we went to high school with, so it was kind of a special wrap for us.
Yeah, he's been wanting to wrap for a while.
Yeah.
So we wrapped a Subaru STI in this really cool design from wholesale Tech Designs. It was a Guardians of the Galaxy theme. We finally got to do it. If you guys don't know what Guardians of the Galaxy is, you should live under a rock.
Yeah.
You are missing out on the best things in life from the Marvel universe.
Yeah.
So please go watch those movies because they're the absolute best. We probably watch them like once a month.
Probably,
Not
yeah.
even an exaggeration. So we did this really cool design. We actually revealed this car at Fuel Fest, Arizona. And yeah,
Really
it was
big
this
car
really
show.
cool like galaxy wrap with like their spaceship in it, and
It had the whole original team on it.
yeah, the older Groot, not the baby
and it had
Groot.
like different, each side had different people on it.
It had the awesome mixtape in there.
On the roof.
There was some really cool Easter eggs
yeah.
that I ended up adding on. Like, I didn't even ask the customer. I was just like, the car
We
was
just did
here.
it.
We're working on it. And I was like, we need more. We need more. So one of my favoriteest things on this car is actually the backwards roof antenna. We wrapped it to look like Yondu's prototype fin.
The one that goes up
The red
in the
fin.
front.
Yeah. And then we turned it around.
So it made
actually
it look
looks
like that.
like a little mohawk fin.
Yeah.
And
It was actually a really cool
it was
idea.
right on top of Star-Lord's mask on
Yeah.
the roof. It was just like really witty stuff like that. We redesigned our Wrap Session Vinyl Vixen logos to look like the Guardians of the Galaxy logo.
Mm-hmm.
So it said like Wrap Session Vinyl Vix 2. Like it was just, there was a lot of cool things on there. We had
And the
some
Trash
Yondu
Panda on the wing.
stickers. The Trash Panda was in the Guardians font.
Yeah, we had
Yeah.
we had a Yondu sticker on there. It's like,
That said, I'm Mary Poppins.
I'm Mary Poppins,
bitch.
y'all. I'm Mary Poppins, y'all.
Yeah, it might have said y'all.
It says y'all.
Anyways, so we actually had this full print. It was in Arlon Illuminite Reflective, so the entire wrap glows. All the little decals and stuff that we did were mostly a chrome print. So really,
With
really
clear over the chrome. Yeah.
really flashy and cool. The print was actually sponsored by We Print Wraps. If you guys are unfamiliar with them, they do wholesale printing. They deliver everything right to your door in under 3 days anywhere in the US. They do wholesale design, prints, cut decals, like you name it. Their website's really, really easy to use. You can order from their website by the square footage or by the vehicle, which is super convenient.
Yeah.
And it's a family-owned business that's here in Arizona. So if you guys haven't checked them out already, or you need any kind of custom prints or designing, reach out to weprinwraps.com. You can use our holiday code. I believe it's Vixen, so just VIXEN for 5% off your order. That's going to go through the holidays.
Yeah.
So check it out. We hope you enjoy.
Yeah, in the twilight sky.
Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our Trash Panda Guardians of the Galaxy reflective wrap.
Yeah?
There's a lot to say.
There was a lot to do.
Huge thanks to our sponsors who participated, Wrapsesh Tik Designs, We Print Wraps, as well as Arlon Graphics and
Illuminate Film.
Wrapsesh,
Us.
Things, Stuff.
Feel Fest.
We love you guys to the moon and back. Oh, it's over your head.
Nothing would go over my head. I would catch it. My reflexes are too fast.
Nothing goes over my head. My reflexes are too fast. I would catch it.
So if you guys want a custom wrap, we love to go crazy. Reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Wrapseshaz and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And watch Guardians of the Galaxy if you haven't. And we'll see you next week.
Mantis, look out!